In this video, I'm going to explain how to get free money for simply doing your shopping. In this video, there are two examples that I'm going to be using. One is Shopback and the other is Cash Rewards. So Shopback and Cash Rewards are companies which offer incentives to shop through them at your normal online retailers. So eBay is a really good example. If you use eBay, or if you've ever used eBay, you can go through Shopback to get a percentage back of a purchase. So what are they? What you're looking at is Shopback. This is the one that I use. It is recommended that you should probably use both Cash Rewards and Shopback because they offer different promotions. But just for the example, we're looking at Shopback here, where as you can see, there are companies listed on the front page here. You can search in any brand or store, and if it exists, I'll type in the iconic. As you can see, the iconic's on here. If I click it, it will take me to the iconic and show me any deals that are being offered by the iconic. Just for this example, I'm going to use the main page here. And as you can see, all of these companies, eBay offers 3% cashback. The iconic offers 3.5% cashback. What does this mean? It means when you go through Shopback, so if I click on the iconic and then press shop now, it will take me to the actual iconic website, but as you can see, it's adding the cashback reward. So now when I perform my shopping, I add things to my cart and I go to the checkout, I will get 3.5% cashback just for using the service. What does that actually mean? When I come to my dashboard here, as you can see, I've got $17.24 in my cashback app. Basically, when I choose 1 or 2 months after you make a purchase, it verifies the purchase through cashback and that money is mine. I can withdraw that to a PayPal account, to a bank account, to whatever I want, and then just use it. It's my money. I've just gotten a percentage back for making a purchase through this store, which I was going to make anyway. I was going to use the service anyway for free. It's just a nice little discount for doing nothing essentially other than using the website to just do your actual checkout process. You can go to the iconic and put things in your cart and then come through this just to initiate that cashback. It's the same thing. It's a service which all you have to do is sign up using an email and just create a password, create an account. It has an app for your phone and you're in business. So both Cash Rewards and Shopback have a website browser extension. They have a Chrome extension. So I actually use a Google Chrome extension so that whenever I'm on a website, a button appears and it says, hey, do you want to activate cashback? So if I forget, it's there as a reminder. So if I'm doing some shopping, it will make sure that I am activating that cashback reward no matter what and getting my money back. And there's also an app. So just showing you a screen recording here on my phone. As you can see, it is exactly the same with the same dashboard, with the same information, and it's the same thing. If you're shopping on eBay on your phone, you can use cashback through the app on your phone as well, which I've done both and they both work really, really well. So now, why do you really want to be using it? Well, firstly, it's free. It's free to use, it's free money. It's just a discount on your purchases through very regular shopping websites that you may use. Secondly, there are lots of promotional offers. I've seen cashback rewards up to 20%. So two very high competing alcohol stores here in Australia, BWS and Dan Murphy's, were offering 20% cashback for any alcohol purchase. I believe it was capped at $30. So let's say you needed to stock up on some alcohol and you were going to look to spend about $150, you'd get $30 back just for buying through this Shopback website. So instead of spending $150, spend $120. It's a win. Like, you're not going to say no to these kinds of deals. And every now and then, yeah, you see some really, really, really high deals, or it might be even a product that doesn't really offer discounts like Apple. I've seen, again, cashback rewards even for buying things through the Apple store. So in simple terms, how do you use it? Well, you go to the website, you type shopback.com.au, you create an account, you sign up with your email, you verify it, and you write down your password somewhere safe. And then you want to link a bank account as well. So I've linked my PayPal account, so that's in withdraw money through the dashboard. It's a really simple process. I linked my PayPal, just put in my email and verified it. You can link a bank account to make withdrawals too. So other things to know is to see when you make a purchase to make sure it comes through within a couple of days is to go up here to click on your icon and click the cashback overview tab. This will show you where your cashback is coming from. So this will show you from purchases, how much cashback you've got and the status of it. So it'll either be pending or it will be approved. So all my purchases on this page here are pending because they're all recent. When they get approved, they change to approved and then you can withdraw that money. Things to note is before signing up, either find a referral code, which gives you a little bit of extra cash for just doing nothing, or find a friend who has signed up with Shopback and then wants to basically give you that referral code because it helps them out. Use their code so that they get that win. And then once you have an account and you want to tell other people about this, give them your code to sign up with. And up here, you'll see invite friends for $5. Just by clicking on it, it will generate a code. When they sign up, you copy the link, send it to them in Messenger, send it to them however you want to send it to them, and they will end up giving you $5 just for creating an account. A good point that I want to make is that you should definitely check both Shopback and Cash Rewards. It's like I said, I don't currently have an account with Cash Rewards, but I'm probably going to sign up in about 15 minutes to it. And just to have a look at the overview, it's very similar to Shopback and it functions exactly the same. As you can see here on my screen, I've got the Cash Rewards page up and it's the same process, but they are competing companies, so I guarantee they offer different rewards at different times. So sometimes Cash Rewards will offer better deals than Shopback for the same company. So eBay might be 3%, I believe it's 3.5% on Shopback, and it might be 5% here on Cash Rewards. You have to check the two and just go with the one that's going to offer you more money. I have had to contact Shopback for support. One time I didn't see a charge come through. They have a live chat. It took me about 15 minutes to resolve. It was really pleasant experience. They have a really good in-house chat system. And overall as a service, it's been really good. I know multiple people who use this service. It's really beneficial to them, just as it has been to me in recent times. And it's something that I plan to use moving forward on into the future. Now that you know about it, sign up. A disclaimer, I'm not getting anything out of this from Shopback or Cash Rewards by talking about it. It's a website that I use and I really like, and that's why I'm promoting it. It's something that I think you guys should know about purely because it's a useful tool to get some pretty nice discounts on products that you're going to buy anyway. Note that it's also for physical stores, not just online stores. So alcohol stores and retailers offer these Cash Rewards as well. You can buy online and then go pick up from there. It'd be nice for you to have an extra couple of $100 over the course of a year worth of shopping to be able to just withdraw it and then have that money in your accounts. In the description below, I've got the links to the websites, and I've also added the links for my referral code. So if you do sign up and you want to use my referral code for whatever reason, feel free to do that. It helps me out, but again, no obligation to do it. So I hope you learned something new today. I hope it's useful and I hope you really enjoy using the service. I'll see you in the next video.